MacKellar's been around the industry for quite a while, and what they've best supported for Middlemount is they lease and hire all of the equipment to Middlemount. And on top of that, the service they provide is the fitters to maintain all that equipment. And then you go further and they've got the planning and the systems process to execute that, managing their safety. And then the project manager, I've really enjoyed the relationship with Peter Bond, and I'm proud of our workshop. I'm proud of the area, I'm proud of the people. The relationship with MacKellar and Middlemount Coal MCPL, it's a really good relationship, a strong relationship. We're one team, one dream, and so that collaboration is what makes these relationships successful. The first priority is to make the coal and make the coal safely so this business makes money. And as long as we're all doing that, we'll have a pretty good outcome, and we're doing that together.
We're all on the same page, we've got the same goals in mind. We all want better production, better availability. The relationship on site is very strong. We're long-term focused. We want the same outcomes, and together we can grow.